Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally here with Kayla again. She's been in videos before, but like not in a super long time. Today we're doing get ready with me because we're going out tonight. So if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to do so down below. Hit the bell button to be notified whenever I post a new video. And if you're already subscribed, hey, what's up? Hello. So we're just gonna get ready, chat, jam, drink, I don't know. It's gonna be a great time. So, hope you guys enjoy this and get ready with me, and let's just get going into it. Taking this concealer, I always use it. You guys know what it is. Literally, I use the same stuff every time I go off video. What I'm using? No. Okay. Not if you don't want to. I'm not gonna do my eyes first. I never do my eyes first.
Shape tape.
Actually, I'm gonna spray some of this on just to...
Oh, you have that too?
Yeah, I got it on Boxing Day.
Same.
I'm gonna spray some Mario Badescu rose water spray because I'm so bougie.
Even though I just sprayed foundation.
Poor bougie. I think I just ate some.
I don't know if I'll listen to this song. You probably won't like this song.
I don't like this song either.
What? Crazy, okay.
Well, no, you can keep it on. It's the Finesse song, right?
Yeah.
I took this color here.
I'm gonna put more on because it just... I don't even like set my face with powder, I literally just bake. And that's my powder.
My pants, oh my god.
Contour.
I'm going to do my foundation.
You're already done your eyes?
Yeah. My eyeshadow, yeah. Oh, I don't like wearing foundation. I want to get the It Cosmetics CC Cream.
It makes them look more.
You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss.
I don't even know the words to any song ever.
Concealer?
It's my brow pencil. It's gigantic.
What?
It's the Tristique brow pencil and brow gel. It's like my holy grail brow pencil.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom.
Shake, I'm doing my...
81, they'll bring the crashers to the party. Hey, you know me. Turn the 02 into the 03. There be no me. Imagine if I never met the broskies. Watching this shit close, yep, close. I've been me since Scarlet Road. Hey, road, hey. Might go down as G.O.D. Yeah, wait. I go hard on Southside G.
It's Too Faced born this way, but it's just like really thick. It makes my under eyes look really like cakey.
I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man. I feel just like a rock star. Fucking with me, call up on the Uzi and show up.
Oh my god, I was watching my bloopers videos the other day, and I I was watching the one where we were doing the Not My Arms makeup.
Who?
Like me and you, remember we did the Not My Arms makeup?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was interesting. Time for some bronzer.
Yeah, I cannot do my eyebrows today at all.
I've been in the hills, fucking superstars, feeling like a pop star. 21 they like savage, why you got a toy car around you only got 6 cars. I ain't with a chick, how you kiss that.
It also comes with brow gel.
Like a whole snap. Green honey's in my safe, I got old racks. LA bitches always asking where the coke at. Living like a rock star, smash out on a cop car, sweeter than a pop tart. You know you are not hard, I done made the hot chart. Remember I used to chop hard, living like a rock star. I'm living like a rock star.
Now time for blush, using my stupid blush brush. Look at this, I still have this little jank thing. Oh my god, yeah, I don't update my brushes ever.
It's 3 o'clock in the morning. No one can make me go home.
I don't want to listen to this.
No one's waiting there for.
No, that song's old. Yes, I fucking love this song. Oh, I didn't use. Oh, whatever.
It makes my heart go crazy. You leave me dead in love. You
Okay,
leave
is it
me
action
in
time?
days
Yeah,
of nights
so.
when we are young. Some
Bringing out
vision
the
of
Morphe.
future I still keep to myself. 'Cause all we've got is
Doing the eyebrows, I don't like doing my eyebrows.
Morphe 350 palette.
Yeah. And if you really ain't new, then it's part of the song. Shouldn't change your
My eyebrows are
mood.
totally
Yeah.
My eyebrows are always fucking different. My right eyebrow is naturally lower than my left.
Oh yeah, it's lemon, yeah.
get it how I live it. I live it how I get it. Come to motherfucking digits. I pull it with a lemon. Not 'cause she ain't living.
I walked into work this morning listening to this, and I started dancing, and everyone was like, "What are you listening to?" So I turned it on, and I just started dancing again, and they're all like, "Oh boy."
Yours, but you renting.
Yep.
Wave that love to the top. Running from veneers and it's running from the front. But every day, hey, lemonade. I was afraid. Once a nigga graduate, would I be okay? So I played and I played. It's Rihanna, nigga. When constellation is space.
White speakers in the song. White speakers in the song. White speakers in the feed.
Enough, I've been done. I've been moving on since we said goodbye. Now, so saving, get gone, shut up. 'Cause if you think I can let you down, well, boy, don't give a fuck.
I hit pan on my back on my
Don't
leg.
take it personal.
Hey, look.
Personally, I think you'd be better with somebody like
I'm gonna spray my brush with my setting spray.
What settings for
on my mind.
Let me get a highlight and literally like this is like fucking like
Every time
majestical.
don't take it personal. Personally, I think you'd be better with somebody like me. But worst of all, you don't even see.
Ooh, girl, I need that.
I know.
How much is that?
Like setting spray.
You'd be better with
that.
somebody like me.
Oh, this highlight.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Is it as majestic as this mascara?
Take it personal. Personally, I think you'd be better with somebody
I
like
fucking love this mascara.
you. Don't even see. You don't even see.
$30 out of my wallet for lashes this good.
I think you'd be better with somebody like me.
Oops. I don't know what half these fucking songs are.
I think that cheek's good enough. Yeah. Say my body, stay wet up in the ocean. I gotta do lower lash eyeshadow. Whoops, I got eyeshadow on my head.
Young money, young
Oh yeah, I'm in my gym playlist. Just kidding, I do.
literally gonna do my my usual combo. You guys probably know it by now. Oh. Smells so good. So that was our get ready with me. We didn't really like chit chat because it's kind of hard to talk and do makeup, I find. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to follow me on all my social media. I have Instagram, Twitter, and Tumblr. They are on the screen and in the description box. So go follow me. Let's be friends. I'll have her
follow me too.
Instagram and everything in the description box as well. I hope you guys are having a great day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!